my channel. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Today's video is just going to be going over how I remove my makeup and how I cleanse my skin. So I'm just going to show you guys the steps and make sure I show you guys what I use. Okay, so I'll start off using my makeup remover wipes. It don't matter what brand you use. I like to use the sensitive or whatever. Or you can use a coconut oil. What I usually do is use a coconut oil. I just rub it all over my face and then use the wipes. But today I'm just going to use the wipes. Oh, I have it upside down. I'm going to use the wipes and then I'm going to cleanse my skin. So starting off, I'm just going to remove my lashes. Just peeling those off. And I'm going to clip my hair up. Gotta do that. I always usually just do 2 big pin curls and clip it back. Okay, so now time to wipe it off. So y'all know it's very important to take off your makeup every night. Please do not, I repeat, please do not sleep in your makeup, y'all. Because when you sleep in your makeup, that makeup just seeping deep, deep into your pores and your skin. Oh my gosh, if you can see it under a microscope, it will scare the crap out of you. So please take care of your skin. Get you a good skincare regimen. I always make sure you wipe off your makeup really good and cleanse your skin at night and moisturize. So I'm just wiping it off. As you can see, it's coming off really easy. I usually use like 2 of these just to ensure I wipe that makeup off really good. Okay, so now all the makeup is gone. So now time to cleanse the skin. So I'm gonna move to the bathroom, cleanse my skin. Okay, so now time to cleanse the skin. So what I'm gonna use, this is a really good skincare brand I use other than my Exfoliator by P Brown. But this is the Alana Mitchell. This is a really good brand. I'll make sure I leave her information in the description below. Her daily cream cleanser. So it's like a cream cleanser. It's not like a foaming cleanser. It don't like strip any oils or anything from your skin. And it have all the benefits, and it's for dry, come on, sensitive skin. So basically for all skin types. So, and it's soap free and 99% natural cream cleanser. So I'm gonna be using this. I'm just going to place a little on my hand and apply it all over my face. So as you can see, it's not foaming, but so I'm just cleansing that. So now for the white towel. So it's good to use a white towel when you're cleansing your skin, when you like wiping it off or whatever, because it will really show you like if there's makeup residue left on your face. So it'll show you, you know, on the white towel. So it's good to use a clean white towel. I'm just wetting one end of the towel with warm water. You can do hot. It's not good to do like really hot. So, as you can see, I still have makeup left, so I'm gonna have to go over my skin again with the cleanser. Put the cleanser again. And of course, with one cleanse, you know, you're not gonna get all the makeup off anyway, so it's good to do second or third cleanse just to ensure that you got all of that off before you go to sleep. And for the second cleanse, let's go down to my neck. I'm going to use another end of the towel. So there's no more residue on the towel. So the skin is good and cleansed. Now I'm going to do an exfoliant. So I got this gift for referring somebody to BoxyCharm. So this is the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion, the Age Defying. It's the Age Defying Exfoliator. So you only want to exfoliate twice a week. Never do it every day because you overwork your skin. You just need a very little, which I probably put too much. I'm gonna dampen my hands a little bit. Okay. And with the, can't even get it out, with an exfoliant, especially this Microdermabrasion one, you never want to rub too hard. So with this one, I'm gonna rinse my face and I'll be back. Okay, now I'm going to use my Rhonda Allison Peptide 3-in-1 eye cream. So just use a little pump of that. I used to put on my little pinky finger just so I can just dab it under my eye. I'm going to treat those under eyes. So for the serum, I'm going to use the Alana Hyaluronic Moisture Boost Serum. So this is awesome. It's good to have yourself a really good serum for your skin as well. So I use a couple of pumps of that. Just apply it on my skin. Neck too. that feels good. I usually do a mask after, but I just recently done one. Now I usually use her vitamin C moisturizer. That's what I use during the day. So at night, I'm gonna use the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I'm gonna use this cream. Very moisturizing. So I hope I helped you guys in showing how, you know, the steps on how to properly remove your makeup and cleanse your skin to ensure you have healthy, glowing skin. Very important to take care of your skin. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you go ahead and click on the subscribe button. See you next time. Be blessed. Bye. Forgot to add chapstick.